This is very promising. Okay, so part 3 of our OctoPrint to remotely control and monitor the diesel heater is working well. There's my assistant down there helping out. Tight. Okay, so what I did was I had this box made already for a cell phone charger, and instead of reinventing the wheel completely, I took that box design and then re-engineered it a little bit, and I put a wall here to hold the remote, and I got some double-sided tape behind it and in front of it, and a piece of double-sided tape on top of the power button just to avoid, because this sucker hits pretty hard. So when this thing comes whacking out, I wanted to have a little bit of cushion. And then I made a cradle for my solenoid, and then I've got my smart relay and my regular relay here. So this is my timer, and this is my regular relay, and I've just got these bundled up right now for the sake of neatness. And then I'll drill a hole here for my 12 volt, and I'll probably use this slot that's already in that box to run my cable out for the Pi. And then I don't know if I'm going to set the Pi on top of it or set it somewhere else yet. That's to be determined. But if we go on up to OctoPrint, this is the PSU control button, and click, it's on, and then I have to manually shut it off because it's not designed to do this. Now, I don't know if we're going to see the light on the remote control, but then I click and it works. And now this relay will stay on until I manually turn off the PSU control. That's something I don't know how to overcome, but this is on a 0.4 second time cycle, so it'll only pulse this little guy for 0.4 of a second, which is more than enough. I might even drop it down to a 1/4 second. So, and I still don't have the camera on to do the control, so there won't be anything here on the web stream yet. So again, on and off, and I don't think we can see the button. The next print, I'm gonna put a hole here. I've got to move this over just a smidge so I can snug this up like that, because right now it's not lining up. So I'll move this over just a little bit, and that'll probably be my final print on the box, and I'll probably two-sided tape these things down inside the box. So we're printing the other one right now on the bamboo, and she's printing away, and I'm hoping that'll be my final iteration of it. But knowing me, I generally have to print something 4 or 5 times before I get it right. I'm not real good at measuring stuff. So here we go. We're coming along. Things are looking good.